Hey, what's up everyone? I'm doing a 1v1 today with only the sun. Yep, I'm missing everything almost. But I'll be fighting a rouge who has all of the sun. Fully guild mainly. If he wins, I give him a moon pet, which is right there. Okay? So here we go. Only this against all of that.
Blood craze.
I have a new add-on too, so it's gonna make some noise. But hopefully I win this. I don't know. It's kinda risky. Oh shit. That's not good.
Preparation. Finish.
Ah man. I'm gonna die right here.
That spell is not written down. I can't ask that spell.
I'm sorry about the add-on. It might be kinda annoying.
That's still recharging. Activation down.
Erasing down.
That's still recharging. I can't cast that.
And look at that, guys. I literally only have that stuff on.
I can't cast that yet. That's still recharging. I need to get closer. I can't cast that yet. Not ready yet. That ability isn't ready yet. That's still recharging. That spell is not ready yet. I can't cast that yet. That's still recharging.
Alright, almost done.
That's still recharging. That spell is
Oh, nope, he got me.
I can't cast fatality.
Look at that. He lost. And all I had on was that, and he has all of this. Not bad. He did good. I give him 1,000 gold for doing that. Maybe, if he accepts it. I guess he doesn't want it. There you go. Good. Well, if you guys liked watching this, hit like and subscribe. I have some more videos coming. And I joined a new guild. Band of Bands Boys, whatever it's called. It's supposed to be like a really good PvP guild. Also, I'll be doing that special title giveaway in 6 days for the people who liked, commented, and subscribed in that video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time. It's already the 4th, so Happy New Year's. Have a good day. See you next time.